friends, myself Deepak Padhe, and today my subject is the operational management, and the topic is the northwest corner method. It is the assignment problem. So, though we are discussing about what is the northwest corner method. The northwest corner we are writing as the NW corner method also. The NW corner method means the northwest corner method is the one of the technique we use in transportation models. In northwest corner method, we have to use the allocation to NW corner cell if of the matrices in transportation model. So, the northwest corner method. First of all, we let us solve the transportation model by this method. Let us consider the following transportation problem. We are in this question we are given in this table the stores and the factory. The store is the given in horizontally and factories are in vertically. The stores is 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is the given the supply. In factory there are the A factory, B factory, and C factory. After that we are given the demand over there. Then first step one is to solving that method is in order to proceed the further the summation of the demand is should be equal to the summation of supply. First of all, we check the sum all the supply, the summation of supply and the summation of demand is equal. Then only we solve that problem. After that we going for second second to step 2, selecting the northwest corner cell of the matrices marked in the yellow corner. It is the northwest, it means the north and in between the north and west side. So in step 2, given the allocation of northwest corner cell as the shown in the our slide. After that we given in the step 2, for this selected the corresponding the demand and supply values are 50 and 90 respectively. So selecting the lesser value in the supply and demand. So here is the 50 is the lesser value in supply and demand. So we allocate the 50 in the northwest corner in table. So in step 2, subtract the allocated value 50 is the corresponding demand and the value. So 90 minus 50 is getting to 40, and 50 minus 50 is 0. So the now the new corresponding demand and supply value is 0 and the 40 as shown in below on the our slide. After that, as the demand value is first column brought to 0, then delete or scratch the all fully column over there. So if you see in our the first column is all we are cutting over there. Then also in step 2 we are again given in step 2 the new matrix as the below. We are if we are seeing the here, then the new matrix is given below. Now we selected the northwest cell from these new matrices marked in yellow color. So select the list value from the corresponding demand and supply value northwest corner cell with 40 amongst 40 and 50. In between we are selected the lesser amount is 40. So allocate the value of 40 in the northwest corner in table as the supply as the row brought is 0 or scratches that the row. The new matrix is having the 2 factories and 3 stores. If we are seen here in the row, there is the lesser value is 40. So 40 minus 40 is 0 and 50 minus 40 is 10 over here. So we cutting the first row in this table. After that the new matrices is follows in the our slide. So now selecting again we are doing the same method in the northwest corner from the matrices. So mark the yellow or yellow color. There is the select the list value again from supply and demand. So list value is here is the 10. So the 10 minus 10 is getting the 0 in demand row. After that in supplies there is the 70 minus 10 is getting the 60. So where getting the 0 is cutted all the column over there. So after that we getting the 2 by 2 matrices. So after that we getting the 2 by 2 matrices also over there. So again we are doing the same procedure. After that we seen the which one is the lesser value in demand and supply. So we have getting the lesser demand value. So 25 minus 25 we are getting over the so 0, and 60 minus 25 we getting the 35. So we cutting the where is the 0, then we cutting the all over column is there. After that we getting the value means in the last 2 1 by 2 by 1 column. So we if we seen over there, the 35 is the lesser value in the supply, and in demand is the 75 value. So lesser value is the 35, so we cutting the 35 minus 35, and here is the 75 minus 35. So 75 minus 75 minus 35, we are getting the 40 value. Then and 35 minus 25 is getting the 0 in supply. So we cutting the horizontally that matrices. After that, the new matrix as the below, means one by one matrix over there. The matrix has the one cell value on the, means we are, I'm told you again, it is the one by one matrix only. So selecting the list or the corresponding demand and the northwest corner, again we are selecting the list, but now we are getting the supply value also 40 and demand value also 40. So if we considering any value, it is the same, means 40 minus 40 is getting 0 in demand, and 40 minus 40 is getting also 0 in supply. So we cutting the all value. So the our matrix is the shown in the step 3, means in on our slide. So which solution of matrices over there, though finally we find the transportation cost due to summation of the product of allocation the value and corresponding the transportation cost. Hence we have the, when if we seen over there, the transportation cost is equal to 1 into 50, 3 into 40, 1 into 10, after that the 3 into 25, then 8 into 35, and uh, 10 into 40. When we are calculating there, it is the 935 units. Thank you.